Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, where we discuss knives for city dwellers. Today we're going to have a look at the Brother Cowfish model 1503CF. CF stands for the carbon fiber handles. Brother is a brand from China, but other than that, there's very little info on the company or where the knives are made exactly. You can buy these knives on Amazon or AliExpress, and I bought mine on AliExpress for just under $30. The main reason for buying this knife was to try out some boutique knife brands that are not so mainstream. So let's have a look at the knife. So the box is very simple. It is recycled material, but looks pretty cheap. But I guess we can appreciate that it is sustainable. So we open this up, and what you get inside is a little kind of a burlap sack. But this is pretty big, and the knife is not that big, as you can see. So really, I think this is just a generic bag that you can keep, any knife in that they make, or just keep it as a pouch for other accessories. But here we have the knife. So this is a Lockback knife with a very traditional pocket knife design, but it features a VG10 blade steel and the carbon fiber scales I mentioned. So this series is called the Cowfish. I'm not sure why it's called the Cowfish, and I'm assuming that this is supposed to be a top view of a cowfish. So this is the tail of the fish, these are kind of the fins, and that's the front. Also looks kind of like a dagger. I'm not sure why they chose this particular representation for this series of knives. But before we look at the specs of the knife, let's do some size comparisons. It is not a large knife, so I brought some other knives about similar size. Of course, the Swiss Army knife. This is the Spartan in walnut wood scales. So that also is just a two-handed opening knife. We have this knife over here. This is a Buck Bantam, I believe. And that is also a Lockback. I've got the Civivi Rustic Gent, and this is with Damascus steel, and this is also a Lockback. So all you can see roughly about that same size, and as always, an Altoids tin. Let's have a quick look at the specs for the Brother Cowfish. The blade length is 2.657 inches long, so it is very sub 3 inches. The handle length is 3.58 inches long, and the overall length is 6.26 inches long. It is a light knife at 2.6 ounces or 75 grams. So the blade width is 15 mm, and the thickness of the blade is 3 mm. So I like that, right? It's quite a thick blade for such a small knife. Now this is a Sabre grind with a flat grind, and it's a satin finish. It's really sharp out of the box, which is very nice. And I do like the blade shape, kind of a drop point with a swedge. There is a finger nail nick, but you don't really need it to open up the knife. You can just grab it, pinch it, and do a two-handed opening. Very tough to do a one-handed opening with this particular knife. The blade steel is VG10. Now VG10 is a high-end Japanese stainless steel. It's high in carbon and vanadium. It's one of the most popular steels in Japan, and is made by Takefu Special Steel Corporation located in Fukui, Japan. The G in its name stands for gold, meaning that the steel has attained gold standards for stainless steel. It is a high carbon steel, and VG10 is harder than most stainless steels. The cutting qualities are very good. It's got great edge retention, is highly rust resistant, and is easy to sharpen. And this has a sharpening choil, a bit of a ricasso over here. You can see the Brother name and VG10 on the blade. This blade is hardened to 60 to 61 HRC. The handles are made of carbon fiber, and there are bolsters on the top and the bottom, but actually from what I see, this is all one piece machined. So the CNC machined, so each side is one piece of metal machined with a cutout for that carbon fiber inlay, and feels really good. Everything feels very well cut, very well finished, no sharp edges, and overall, the fit and finish is very nice. So everything here is steel, including the liners. The washers are copper, and this is a lockback system. I didn't have much of a problem with the stickiness of the lock. I thought it was quite good. The detent is also quite good. The lockup is good. No blade play. Overall, I think, it is a very decent knife for the price. So does the Brother Cowfish make for a good urban EDC? Now, the MSRP for this particular knife is US $30. And, it is a budget price for VG10 blade steel, carbon fiber handles, and good fit and finish. So I think in terms of a price, it's actually pretty good. What you don't have is probably the brand value behind it. But from the blade design and to the overall compact finish, I think it's pretty good. This is a modern traditional knife with a lockback. If you like brands like Rough Rider and Case, you'll probably like this kind of knife. Now, there's no pocket clip and there's no lanyard hole, but you can slip this into your pocket easily, or you can put it in an EDC organizer like this. This is my Fox EDC leather organizer. So I have my EDC knife. I've also got a pen and a torchlight or flashlight, and this obviously will fit very nicely inside. A bit loose now because I think my other knife is maybe just a slightly thicker, but that would work if you're thinking about carrying it around, if you did not just want to carry it in your pocket. So overall, to me, there's a good fit and finish for this knife. As I mentioned, no blade play, although I've seen some reviews where people complain there was some side to side and up and down action, but it could be a quality control issue, especially with a not so well-known Chinese brand, which is where this is from. But I do like the thickness of the blade. So, even though this is a small knife, because the blade is nice and thick, the grind is great. I think this is very serviceable. So I consider this a modern upgraded version of your grandfather's knife. It is a good non-intimidating EDC, and it makes for a great gift, I think. But you may want to change the box, as I think the box isn't that pretty. There are different versions of this knife. For the lockback, there is a white bone handle, and you can also get a similar design in a slip joint. So people who do need a sub 3-inch blade, which is a slip joint, I think you can actually have a look at this knife. But let me know what you think. What do you think of this Brother Cowfish knife? Do you think it makes for a good urban EDC? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. And as usual, keep it folded, keep it safe.